Always what a performer she was. My God, she's a real rock star she was, with her hairstyle and the way she sat on the stage, the way she sang. This is one of my favorites, my father's favorites, and so it's only perfect that I should sing it here today. Maluti Lata